You might be wondering why we apply a term like healthy to a structure such as an airplane when we're used to applying a term like that to something biological. The answer is that there are lots of structures like airplanes, bridges, and nuclear power plants, for example. It's very important to keep them safe, reliable, and we would say healthy. So what about an airplane might not be healthy? It's made of materials that eventually, over the course of time, may develop some defects. They may be cracks or other kinds of things that happen due to an impact, for example. And it's very important that we are able to monitor those and understand how it might affect the long-term performance of that structure. So how do physicists help in this area? There are two ways that I can think of and I want to tell you about. One is that we can design materials that may be stronger and may remain healthier over a long period of service. Or we can look for those defects while a material or a structure is in service and try to understand how its health is at a particular point in time. So this is a little bit like a diagnosis in medicine. You develop a sensor, for example, or a technique by which you can test a material and see if there is some kind of damage there. Similarly to that, we can also use models. Physicists can develop models that will look at the future performance of that material, and if we can do that, we can decide when it might need to be replaced or repaired. So we can keep structures healthy, safe, and reliable.